In this video, I'll show you how to sync databases in Notion. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Then open the page where your original database is located. Next, click the menu in the top right corner of the database and select Copy Link to View. Now, go to the page where you want the synced database to appear. Type /linked and select Create Linked View of Database. Paste the database link if prompted, or choose the original database from the list. After that, your linked database will appear on the page. Any changes you make to the data in the original database or the linked view will automatically stay in sync. If needed, you can create different views by adding filters, sorting, or changing the layout without affecting the original database. Finally, continue using linked database views to organize the same data across multiple pages while keeping everything updated automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sync databases in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.